God, yo, our case, yo, now your grace, yo, I do pray. People talk, say, khaki no be leather, but we have stayed through the rain and the stormy weather. Whether them like calm or whether them no send or whether them pretend, we still there. People talk, say one day it go better, but I say that today is already better. On my left and my right, I see Tunde and Zil, waiting I feel. Be said, oh yes, oh waka, we still dey carry go. Nobody waka, nobody go solo. Baba God, yo, our case, yo, now your grace, yo, I do pray. I say, oh yes, oh waka, we still dey carry go. Nobody waka, nobody go solo. Baba God, yo, our case, now your grace, yo, I do pray. People say we go break up when we making money. We have made time and stayed as a family. Whether we fight you or whether we quarrel over money or girl, we still there. People talk, say na me go first, go solo. And I wonder how they can see tomorrow. Where would I be without Shifi and Tunde? Hey, maybe I go one day. Oh yes, oh waka, waka, waka. We still dey hustle, waka. Nobody goes solo. Nobody. Baba God, yo, our case, yo, now your grace, yo. Oh yes, oh waka. We still dey carry go. Nobody waka, nobody goes solo. Nobody. Baba God, yo, our case, yo, now your grace. Baba. Was the year I met Shippy. Later we were joined by Lanray and Yemi. 1998, Lanray passed away. Zil came with a brighter day. 2003 came T, Jazz and Joey. Funky and Nekoya produced Olufumi. Oh, how I wish Lanray and Yemi were here. But I thank you, Lord, cause we still dey carry go. Nobody goes solo. My Father, Lord, our case, now your grace, so we thank you, Lord. Oh yes, I carry go. Nobody goes solo.